If that bothers you, well, that's too bad. But if you got pride and you're proud you do, hey, we could use some more like me and you. Where the stars and stripes and the eagle fly.
Hey everybody, we're doing it. We're almost there. It's about 6:15. We're just getting the bike ready, getting the bike loaded up. I didn't do it last night, but I'm gonna do it this morning. So stay tuned, you guys. We're hitting the road. It's finally here. The day we're leaving is here. I'm excited. God bless you. Hey guys, day two. Day two, 490 miles, Joe.
70 today.
470 today.
Yep.
There he is. We're doing it.
We're ready.
We're ready. We're literally just getting our bikes strapped up, getting the bungees on, and we're gonna get moving, and then we're gonna get to Oklahoma. We're in Missouri right now, so headed to Texas. Catch you later. Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday to you. It is 4/19, April 19th, and as you can see, if you can see, we are in Paris, Texas. We are in the Home to Suites hotel. Very nice, very, very nice. As you can see, I'll give you a little tour of the room here. Oh man, beautiful room. It's got a kitchen, little dinette area, and we went to book it online, and I booked it online, and it said $186 per night. And me and Joe are like, yeah, we can do that. And I ended up looking at my credit card or my debit card because I had to put it on a card, and they charged me almost $300. There was $100 in fees that I didn't know and that they didn't tell me about. And so this is basically a $300 a night room. We didn't know that. You got like plates and bowls and cups and glasses and a microwave, and we got ice, and it's just great. I made coffee last night, and as you guys know, we're on day 3 of our, you might not know, you might know, we are on day 3 of our basically 1,500 mile trip to Texas, and we are looking at bad weather coming in. So I can see a Harley dealership from here. That's funny. We went to Route 66 Harley yesterday. We stopped by Paris Harley, and then there was another dealership that we passed by. Man, good morning, you guys. I know I look a little rough. We were in the pool last night. And yeah, so I'm gonna go down and check on my bike and get a muffin and make sure everything's going good. You guys have a great day. I love you. God bless you. See ya. Good morning, everybody. Here we are, day 3 of our basically 3,500 mile journey. We're just getting checked out of our hotel, get the bike packed. Joe's got his bike almost ready to go. Of course, I'm like a girl and pack way too much. I got everything under the sun with me today for this trip, but I didn't want to go without. I know it was going to be a long trip, so we did hit some weather this morning. We waited a little bit to take off, otherwise we would have been out early because we got 500 miles today to do, which will be pretty good actually, I think, though, because the weather looked like it was going to be heading north, so we're going to be heading south, so it's a direct opposite of the weather. And yesterday we kind of did played footsie with the weather a little bit and tiptoed around some really bad weather in southern Oklahoma, North Texas. But we made it. We made it to Paris, Texas last night. I feel good. We feel good. Trip's been going good so far. The bike's been running pretty good. So God willing, everything else will go good too. So I hope you guys are staying safe and brave out there and sober and being good and everything else. And wish us luck. Think about us, pray for us on our trip, because I know it's going to be a pretty hairy journey today. It's going to be a long day, but as soon as we get there, we know that we got another week to relax, and so we'll get by. So you guys, we'll see you on the next one. Stay tuned. What's up? It's me and Joe. We're at a train. Yeah. West, what are we? East Texas? East Texas? Get off and stretch our butt, do a little wiggle. Feeling good though, feeling good. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, look at that. I'm at the ocean. We are on the Gulf Coast down in South Texas, down at we're actually we're in Corpus Christi. And as you can hear and see, this is just beautiful. We're about to go over a bridge and then we're gonna head back. We're gonna go along Padre Island, all the way down Padre Island, and then head back to the house and get some more work done. And oh man, I love it down here, you guys. Texas is awesome. Texas has been awesome to us. We're blessed. I'm grateful. I'm thankful. Another day in recovery. We can do this. Don't take life for granted, you guys. We got to take it one day at a time. We got to live life to the fullest too. Be safe and sober and brave out there. Love you guys. See you next time. Stay tuned. Oh, there's dolphins, Joe. Huh? There's a dolphin.
Yeah, where?
Well, we went from sunshine in Texas down to Oklahoma. Made it to Oklahoma. Nothing exciting happening out on the plains. Stay tuned. Still in one piece. Looking good.